TaskLink makes it easy to export drawings and GoCanvas submissions as a single, organized PDF package. This keeps everything connected and makes project files well organized. GoCanvas forms display different statuses in the TaskLink panel within Bluebeam Revu: assigned, unassigned, received, completed, and deleted. Only forms with the completed status, referred to as submissions, can be exported. If you don't see the latest status, click the refresh icon in the TaskLink panel to update individual items. Or, if you want to refresh everything at once, use the refresh button in the markups list. If you don't see that column yet, go to the markup list dropdown, open Columns, and check GoCanvas Status. When all the forms you need display the completed status as submissions, you can proceed with the export. To export, click the TaskLink dropdown, then select Export. Click Add and choose the files or folders you want to include. Select your export method. In this example, daily field report submissions are attached to the drawing, and we want both the drawing and submissions in a PDF package. So we'll select Export Bluebeam PDFs and associated task PDFs into a PDF package. Choose a location to save your export, enter a file name, then click OK. Your PDF package is ready. It includes your drawings and all related submissions organized for easy access and sharing.